Activating combat mode.
Transmission. Destroy the old sensor at the end of the underground tunnel. This place may be derelict, but it won't be left undefended. Keep your guard up, 621.
Code 1-5, unaffiliated AC.
Attack flight! Watch your step. There's a faint choral response coming from the back. It must be linked to an underground.
Gun 13, come in, Raven! ECA ground forces are headed your way earlier than planned. Make sure they stay busy. You know what to do. Over and out!
Order 621. Destroy the target and get out of there. That's the target. It's protected by a basic shield. Just hit it. Target destroyed. Mission accomplished. A coral surge. That shouldn't have been enough to... 621. Pull out. Now. Don't touch the coral current.
Gun 13, Raven, what's going on? Who's that Trevor? Report your status!
We can answer that later. Get out now, 621.
AP at 50.
Code 31C. What's the system verdict?
Proceed. Power software. Straight up.
AP at 30%.
The coral's coming.
621, don't fall behind. You made it, somehow. This job's finished. Head back and rest, 621.
One misstep, and that coral surge would have swallowed you whole. Raven, must you always put your life on the line?